New accommodation here in Halan Bangsar, Kuala Lumpur. Master's bedroom here. Cabinets, wardrobes, and toilets. Shower. It's very nice. Kitchen table. This one, kitchen, fridge. Beautiful. This you can turn it on. Another bathroom here. Two single beds here. Oh, it's nice. We're in a the view from the master's bedroom. Lovely, the Halan Bangsar. Lovely. Living room. View from here. From the living room is the same from the master's bedroom. Beautiful. And another view from another room. So dito kami titira mga 1 week. This one here at our residences in Halan Bangsar, Kuala Lumpur. So it's nice.
Finish my work at 11.
We're looking for the grocery here in Bangsar village. It's nice. Where? Again? Grocer. Village pantry. Grocery. It's grocery store. Bangsar village grocery store. It's nice. Bangsar village grocer. Yung mga fruits dito. Yung mga presyo dito sa Bangsar village. Ganda! Beautiful! Ang daming frutas. It's bread aisle. Frutas, ang dami nila. Lakad lang kami. Pumunta sa Bangsar village. Nag-grocery lang kami. Doon kami sa taas na. Katabi ng Holiday Inn. Good morning, Bangsar, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. We walked there last night at sa Bangsar village. You can go for groceries there and eating places area. Doing our wash as well. Okay, so up here it's on the 42nd floor of Alpha Bangsar. But so there's a restroom there and a gym. And there's some sunbeds here, and then that's the pool, and it's quiet. So this is the Bangsar area in Kuala Lumpur. It's nice.
Train station, isn't it?
There's little pool here as well for the little ones. Yan yung gym area. We're checking the Sky Park here in the 38th floor. So this is the view from the Sky Park. Oh, it's a lovely day. So ito yung park niya. Little play area for the kids. Very nice. So, laruan dito yung mga bata. Nice. Quiet siya. Wala kasi masyadong bata. Yung mga bata kayo malalaki na. So, yan sila. Ang view niya dito. Ang ganda. Ganda ng araw. Morning guys! Lumabas na kami ngayon. Explore natin yung Bangsar Village. Bangsar, Kuala Lumpur. So merong malapit na mosque dito sa amin. So ngayon papunta na tayo sa Bangsar Village area. Lakad lang kami. Malapit lang naman kasi. Ngayon yung grocery store niya. Diyan kami namili kahapon dyan. Grocery store. Pwede ka rin, may mga kainan din dyan. Toys R Us. Tsaka pamilihan. Bangsar Village. Paduyan-duyan pa sila dito. Saan to? Black Garden. Balas Banana Split. Mga kainan din dito. At mga bangko, pasyalan. Parang central na to ng Bangsar Village. I check that out. I think it's a food shop. Nice here. Spirit of Malaysia. Tayo habang green siya. Gawi yung bus, no? Ito na sa loob ng Bangsar Village Mall. Sa picture. Beautiful cakes. Yeah.
Good.
Thank you. Name it, but you don't name it. Yeah, she said. But he said, tutuan natin. We try to walk to the train station here in Bangsar because it's our first 2 days here. So just gonna try to find out where it is. I think we found it now. It's inside this mall, Menara Owa Bangsar. So yun na yung mga machine here. Are looking for the Our Lady of Fatima Church, but I think it's that church there. Steve said it's not, so I don't know. The church. That's it. Our Lady of Fatima Church. Beautiful. Oh there. Hello. We are here in Brickfields, Kuala Lumpur.